Hi everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. This is episode 22 of our Stitch Gallery and Glossary. Today we're going to be learning the Foundation Half Double Crochet. And in patterns, it's the letters FHDC all in one. So if it says FHDC 30, that means Foundation Half Double Crochet 30 stitches. And you'll need, some basic supplies here. I have some yarn from Red Heart Yarns. Big thank you to them for providing today's yarn. This is Scrubby Smoothie. It's cotton yarn. It's very nice. But you can use any yarn that you'd like. And then I'm also using a crochet hook from the Etsy shop Would Be Fancy. This is a hand-carved ergonomic crochet hook handle. And I'm going to be using a G-hook in this tutorial. That's 4 millimeters, but you can use any size hook and any size yarn just to practice your foundation half double crochets. So let's just get right into this episode 22 here. We're going to start off with a slip knot. So put your short end over your long end, then fold this down and then pull that long end through and pull tight. And there's your slip knot. Insert your hook and we can start. To start out, we are going to chain 2. So yarn over and pull through 1 and 2 here. And for a foundation half double crochet, it's very similar to the foundation single crochet if you've seen episode 21 for the foundation single crochet, but instead we'll be yarning over for the half double crochet stitch. So we're going to put the yarn over our hook like that, oopsie, just like this. And then we're going to go into that second chain from the hook, okay, right over here. Go into that chain. Then we're going to yarn over and pull that yarn through the chain. So we have 3 loops on our hook, okay, just like this. We're going to yarn over and just pull through 1 of those loops. Okay, and so we still have 3 loops on the hook. Then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And that is our first foundation half double crochet. Okay, so you can see down here, if I turn this down here and look at this right here, I know it's kind of difficult. Let me grab my needle here so you can see this loop right here and this loop right here. So this loop here and this loop here. We're going to go through those loops, okay, across in there for the next stitch. So to make the foundation chain, so first we're going to yarn over because we're going to do a half double crochet. So yarn over, go into the bottom there, the base. You can see right through those 2 loops right there. Then yarn over and pull through that. Okay, so you have the 3 loops on the hook. To create the foundation chain, we are going to yarn over and pull through 1 of those loops, and that creates the base chain right there. And now to finish off the half double crochet, we are going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Oops, don't lose your loops there. There we go. And that is our second foundation half double crochet right there. So again, if you turn it, I know I'm turning it vertically here. So this is how it would look across. You can see the first stitch. Here's our chain right there, chain. And then there's our first stitch and our second stitch. Okay, so going on to the next stitch, you want to turn it this way. So we're working vertically like this. And if you turn it to the base, you can see the foundation chain stitches there. So right here is one and right here is the next. So that's where we're going to work in next, okay, right at the base of there. Okay, so we're going to yarn over for the half double crochet, then go into that base underneath both of those loops right there, kind of like a stitch. They look kind of like a stitch, just like that. Then yarn over and pull it through. Okay, kind of pull it this way. And then yarn over and pull through 1 loop. And then yarn over and pull through those 3 loops on your hook. And that is your foundation half double crochet stitch. So you can practice this as much as you want. Just yarn over, go to the base of those right there. Then yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over and pull through 1 loop there to create the base, the foundation chain, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops to finish the half double crochet. And then once you start practicing more and more, you'll get, you know, really fast at it. Yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 3. Yarn over, go into the base, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, and yarn over and pull through 3. Just like that. Okay, and you can see here the top of the stitches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 I've already done, and the base of the stitches also, it's just a nice clean edge. This way it just eliminates, you know, having to chain an amount and then half double crochet across your chain. It just eliminates that whole chaining an amount basically. So it's easy and fun, and it just saves a lot of time. So I'm just going to continue a few more of these, but yeah, I just have to say a huge thank you to Red Heart Yarns for providing the yarn today. Big thank you to Would Be Fancy, my dad, for this crochet hook. It is super fabulous. And a big thank you to you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel here on YouTube so you can get the update on when we post our next video. Big thank you to my dad back there for filming this. You can see now I'm just working it really fast. It's so much fun. Once you get the hang of it, you can easily do the foundation single crochet, and our next episode will be the foundation double crochet, so be sure to check that out next. But until next time, make sure, like I said, like our video, like our page, go to Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. I'm YARNutopia on Snapchat. And I just recently realized that Reddit is very popular too, so I'm on Reddit too. So you can check me out there. But there it is, the foundation half double crochet. How fun! Thanks for watching, everyone. Until next time, happy hooking!